ముంబై ఐఐటి విద్యార్థులతో చంద్రబాబు జూమ్ ద్వారా మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Hyderabad, Secunderabad. I added one more city, that is Cyberabad, only to promote information technology and knowledge economy. There, if you see, we are all thinking money. At that time, I went around all over the world. I networked with Microsoft. Microsoft has come to Andhra Pradesh, first time after Seattle. Because of that, all companies of IT has come to Andhra Pradesh. I told all over the world, you cannot undermine Indians. Indians are very strong in mathematics and English. So in IT, we are having a unique place. That is how I promoted. You are seeing today, one step we moved forward, then automatically it will help us. Microsoft CEO is from Andhra Pradesh. Even Google CEO is from India, from Tamil Nadu. You can see all over the world today, all mid-level or senior level executives are from India. That is the strength we are having. We created one of the best infrastructure. If you see Greenfield Airport, first of its kind, outer ring road, 165 kilometers, 8-lane road. At that time we created, and also biotechnology park. It is one of the biggest park as on today in Asia. Very soon COVID vaccine is going to come from that place. If you see all these things, 4% of GDP is coming from Hyderabad for the country. That is how we are able to do something. Again, our state is divided. Where I am saying crisis is an opportunity for all of you. 2014, new state has been formed. We don't have capital. We don't have office. I sat in a bus for some time to function myself. From there, I started my journey. If you see 5 years, average growth rate is 10.5%. 4 years, double-digit growth. Never in the history of pre-independent India, we have grown continuously 4 years, double-digit growth. If you see here, Harvard University has established a case study. If any country or a state will grow 12 years double-digit growth, it will become a developed economy. We have grown 4 years. I have planned another 10 years or 15 years to make first developed state in India. If you see here, agriculture, we are all planning 3 to 4%. We are able to grow 17%. Reason is, I have planned agriculture because of gestation period. If you focus agriculture, this season will get results. Then you can plan industry 2-3 years. Then automatically service sector will develop. This is the approach I have taken. Then results have come. And also if you see here, I promoted industry in a big way. 4 years Government of India started Ease of Doing Business Awards. For 4 years, first year, second place. Another 3-4 years, first place. We are able to attract nearly 15.48 lakh crores investment for Andhra Pradesh. Even Kia Motors, you are all using today. We have started, we executed, we completed, it is on roads today. This is how, if you see, first year 9.2, second year 10.06, third year 11.7, fourth year 11.22, fifth year 10.7, average 10.5, whereas Government of India has grown 7.3, more than 3.2% higher than Government of India. This is where for the last 30 years. Now COVID. History will be earmarked here afterwards, pre-COVID, post-COVID. Just like both pre-economic reforms and post-economic reforms. You are all witnessing this crisis. You may have hundreds of doubts. Here, I wanted to give you one simple example. You prepare from today for another 30 years. Visualize, imagine. Another 30 years where country will be, where you will be. How you are going to contribute for the country and also for your empowerment. I heard about IIT Mumbai creating a digital avatars for the convocation ceremony, not seen even in countries like USA or UK. Even that is followed by IIT Chennai also now. Yesterday I have seen some news on that. So what I wanted to ask all of you, you must have a vision. Any achievement in life, vision is very, very important. If you visualize things and plan accordingly and execute, then everything is possible. Then if you see here, your mindset. I am requesting all of you, you must have a mega mindset. You do not need a great mind to make India a superpower. And we need the super power of great minds like you.